Hello, my name is Karen Smith. I'm the owner and one of the electricians at Bright Spark Electrical Services. We're going to talk today about surface mounted sockets and switches. In many cases, customers don't want to have a flush mounted socket put in the wall or flush mounted light switch. It could be for a temporary fix, or it's cost, or they don't want the things cut out because they've got to have more decorating done. Today's video, I'm going to show you some examples of surface mounted sockets and switches. Take a look and let's hope you are better informed of what we're proposing to put in for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help to you and will be of further interest. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that notification bell to keep updated with more videos which we release.